Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer with Couture. Right now, I wanted to put that flower pattern on the pot, so I put that over the pot and then put the transfer for the pot so it would keep within the lines. Take off one, take off the next, voila! Now this transfer has 2 layers for the pots and the plants. So that's what I'm doing now, is putting the second layer. And now the plants. I believe this is evergreen that I used for the first layer on all 3 of the succulent plants. If anybody is interested in Couture, just contact me at cherriecriswell.chalkcouture.com or visit my blog, motherdaughterstamping.com. Now I'm doing the second coat after the first one dried. The second coat you don't put on, scrape off quite as thin as the first, because you don't want to pull the paste off. But if you have a mistake, remember all you have to do is take a damp cloth, wipe it off, start over again. Easy peasy. And the flower, there you go. Ta-da!